top of the morning. You see me? Alright, so it's been a minute since my vlog with the GoPro. You see me? I haven't done any vlog for like a month and a half. Been so busy. Back to back work, Jamaican Carnival, Reggae Sumfest, Rum Festival, so much work. So right now, I'll take it with me.
Not this brand, but we use that. It's just what's here. Until 10 o'clock, then they put it in the
Getting the shoot going. So, camera setup, long time. Well, this is my camera setup.
I was giving you in these cups in case you wanted to film them. Yeah. Should I put them ready to go?
No, we can just get the filming.
Okay.
Can I actually film the process?
On the beach.
Alright, so I'm going to create a scene. Where is it? So this is going to be in the scene that I want to create. If that's it. Alright. Set this down right here. Don't watch your coffee. I'm doing it from an angle. Yeah, you're going. No. So I just want to catch. Oh, so you're gonna put some on the spoon, but not yet.
You don't want coffee beans?
Oh, you have coffee beans. Alright.
It's a 9 up.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting to be 9.
Why? What you have the 10? I know there's a majority of a difference there. This man of the 10 and I go like say, oh, it differ from a 9. You must say a 9 then 10 in the then it's a common one. Can't answer your phone call right now. So we are outside. Actually, DJI product. So is the shoot so far?
Amazing, bro.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Alright. Soon done. Some aspect of it. Yo. Which one camera setup? Which camera this?
It's a Lumix S5.
Lumix S5 with the Blackmagic monitor. Me just I use my yo. Go back.
I'm gonna do this one over though.
With your clothes and everything. It's nice.
Because like this boat don't have the SanDisk logo on it.
Oh, okay. But that nice still.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
But I think what we might do, just a time, we might split up.
Sit up?
Yeah.
And go where?
And make you go with one of them, where I get guitar shots, and I go and get some shots same time.
Okay.
And then we can just meet up back.
Alright.
We get this.
Alright.
What's the time?
Alright, so I'm gonna try to get the shot. Look at that SanDisk sign. It's really cool. Alright, so we're gonna try to get that sign there. So actually, to be honest, this is a lot of work, but we have to try to get it done within 2 days. SanDisk Montego Bay, the 2 locations, and then we're heading off to Negril today as well. And we'll be shooting Negril probably starting from today, but more than likely tomorrow for most of the interesting scenes.
I'm gonna get it vertical. Just in case.
Because everything is just reels.
Alright, so basically we're showcasing the front side of SanDisk. So I want to showcase the kayaks and the hobby cats, and basically show the branding and have everything tie in, show a good focal point, to where the flags are.
Alright. Should be good. So I'm on the gimbal right now, and then he's handheld. Alright, that's a wait for them to first pass. 2 people here. Alright, so I'm gonna walk past. So that's the shot right there. Try to get it. We are at our second SanDisk location. This is just right up the road. This is another SanDisk Mobile. You hear me? But yo, this is a new location. Very pretty. So I am legit outside. Look at this nice scenery. This is the entrance. Oh, we have Yannick. Yannick, the road, I'll try to get some shot. Well, I just got the entrance shot. So I am actually shooting with the Sony A7 IV. Alright, so we're over. What them call it by your surname?
Water bungalows.
Water bungalows, Handhelds. So he's going to try and take off with his Mavic Air 2S. But hear what? The airport is like right down there. So we don't know if this is going to work. Damn. Shooting a resort takes a lot of time. You must think there are some stingrays over there, you know? Funny enough, you could see some stingrays right here though.
Hey, Nikki.
She got on the phone. Oh crap. So we'll try to get the aerial shot over there, so should be good. Hopefully we can get it. Hopefully. So I am currently shooting with the Sony A7 IV with a Sigma Art 35. Well, my bad. I'm currently shooting on the Sony A7 IV with an MC11 adapter with 18 to 35 Sigma lens. ND filter, Pro Mist filter. I'm stocked up, bro. And also I'm using the Zhiyun Crane 2S for these amazing gimbal shots. So I've captured quite a few stuff. You get me? So shooting most of these stuff, you know that is a run and gun type of vibe. So I need something that is easy to go around. And I've been using the Sony screen and not using any monitor or anything like that because I really want to move fast and effective. And yeah, so that's why I'm using my GoPro right now. But I shoot in 5K 30 on my GoPro where I can get some sharp and crystal clear images. So that's where I'm coming from, right? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is currently about like little minutes after 8. We're in Negril trying to shoot this property called Beaches, but the sky is not working out for us. Oh, if I did not meeting, I'm meeting in the sky is not working out for us. I'm trying to get like this beautiful, sunny sky, like the Lord, beautiful sunny sky and all those lovely stuff. It's not working out for us at all.
Yeah, I forgot film, but call Kurt.
Oh God, I am so annoyed. This is one of the things when it comes down to shooting properties, because it's not every time the lighting can change. Can't control the lighting. That's one of the downfall in shooting properties, but we're gonna try and make it work. I'm gonna be hungry. Think I'm gonna get something to eat. Open. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. Let me get something to eat.
Yes, please.
You know, we have good one already.
No go for your ear. No go for
Don't spoil now.
Eat a drama, man.
Come.
Drone pilot right here. So today is like day 4, day 3, day 2. I don't know. Can't remember. I lost track. So breakfast. This is me. Yannick is somewhere about the place. I don't know. So starting my day with a cup of coffee as well. So just checked out that Beaches. Yo, it's so much right now, I swear. So we're heading to our next location. You get me? Yannick over here still sitting down and chill. Chill. What next vibe, brother? What's next vibe?
Rick's Cafe. We're gonna get you to jump off a cliff. Hope you don't die.
Live for this. I live for this. Alright. So we're at Hotel up here now. So we left from Sandals in Montego Bay. And we're leaving from Beaches what do you call it? Just beaches?
Yeah. Beaches, Negril.
But it's aligned with sandals.
Yeah.
And then we're going to... Can't bother with the copyright. Then we're going to... how you pronounce hotel again?
Azul.
Azul.
Yeah.
Sounds French.
Spanish.
Spanish. Azul.
Azul.
Alright, but we have some more excitement to sort out and do. We're going to meet up with our friend Christoph, again, me and some other people. So stay tuned. 501
An 813.
and 8. Yeah, check out already. Alright, dig inside, put on seatbelt.
Oh shit. Drunk.
In the lock.
Yeah.
Nah, spot your first, boo. Spot your first, boy. Spot your first, boy.
Wait, who you spot first? How you spot me first?
You come see when you walk out, you're bright, you know, dog. You're bright, dog.
Alright, so when you guys are ready, you can come in and have a seat and make yourself at home, alright? I'm gonna go get your welcome drink.
Alright, so we're at Azul right now. Stuff, Yannick, and everything. So we'll upload the stuff them. Enjoy way, lovely. Stay at this place for like a couple days.
You're always looking jitter. Watch out. See the tree coming right now.
No, because of the full screen. Oh shit.
Thank you.
Here's the free life, dog. You see me? The best life. Watch your angle, dog. Watch it. How it is. That's rich.
What's rich, bro?
Why you not turn up the quality on your one, that's why.
What do you mean?
On the front. But remember I said this is a different GoPro from your one.
Oh, 9.
These are the 9. You guys have the 10.
And then I changed mine so I can see everything rather than zooming in the box. I don't like it.